So this is my apartment, and this is a typical example of what I mean when I say I hear the noise coming from the sink only when the air conditioning is on. See? It's set to 78 degrees. Well, it's saying 78 degrees, set to 76. Now hear that sound? And it gets worse when you come close. So basically that's it. That's where the sound comes from, only when the AC is on. And that's the tube right there. You can't see it really well, but apparently it has something to do with that. So, actually, there. And that's it. And now I'm going to walk away to give you an example of how loud it is. You can hear it in my room. And you can definitely hear it here in the living room. Unless I close the bathroom door, which I can still hear it sometimes. So anyways, that's it.